Mount the telephone base on the wall. And here is how. The following step will guide you to connect the telephone base with a standard dual stud telephone wall mounting plate. You may need a professional to install the mounting plate before the setup. First, insert the telephone line cord and power cord at the back of the base and plug it firmly. Then, place the power cord and telephone line cord in the slots. Align the holes on the wall mount bracket with the standard wall plate and slide the wall mount bracket down until it locks securely. Make sure the side mark B is facing upward. Plug the telephone line cord onto the mounting plate jack. If you are using a DSL filter, plug the other end of the telephone line into the DSL filter and plug it onto the mounting plate jack. Then, plug the power adapter to the power supply. Now, fit the slots of the base onto the mounting plate tabs marked B. Make sure it fits firmly and won't fall. Finally, bundle the excessive cords neatly with twist ties. And you are done. For more helpful tips, subscribe to the VTech support channel or check out our other videos to keep watching.